My name is Sudeepta Chakraborty. I came from Chakraborty, Hyderabad. This hospital, I came because I have some breathing problem, blood transfusion I have to be done. So that's why I chosen this hospital. I have heard the name of hospital so many places. So that's why I came here and I'm satisfied with the treatment. Dr. Shashank sir is there. He is treating me and all nurses are good. They're taking care of me.
I'm Sandeep Chakraborty. My wife Sudeepta Chakraborty had developed some low hemoglobin levels and breathlessness. So Dr. Shashank referred me to this hospital, and even I have heard about this hospital for a long time now. There are two hospitals basically right now here where I am in Kachigura as well as in Kukatpalli. But since I stay in Chikatpalli, this was the nearest hospital. So what I did is I rushed my wife here, and immediately the hospital staff got activated and they took care of my wife at the earliest, for which now she has recovered well and her hemoglobin levels are doing fine. When I came here it was 7.3 and right now it is 9.9. Apart from it, she is being taken care of the breathlessness what she was having it, and all the tests have been done. Here all the staff members, I thank all the staff members here who have been very cooperating. The members basically who are taking care of the room in charge and everything, I thank them. And apart from the nurses who have been 24/7, they have been taking care of my wife. And apart from it, even I am there also, I am not facing any trouble here. So I thank the staff of the hospital apart from the hospital itself. And I hope that other people who are listening to me will come here and take treatment. Thank you.
Thanks to doctor and Prathima Hospitals for taking care of me.